Welcome back to TechIN. Today's construction tips and hacks are packed with clever fixes, toolbox cheat codes, and the kind of ideas that make you pause and go, "Hold up, let's roll." Payroll got reborn as the most badass thing the bathroom's ever seen. Funny how imagination keeps finding tools nobody else can see. These ceilings coming together with a kind of satisfaction usually reserved for perfect Lego builds. And nothing changes a house's first impression faster than a porch roof done right. The lawn owner watched this transformation and took it personally. Counterintuitive move of the day. And attack the crack first. Upper floor deliveries got outsources to gravity and good ideas. And a kind of fix no one knew they needed. Cat thinks it's planning a great escape, so Protector Pet keeps the adventure safely inside the garden. Replacing a window this size without creating chaos almost feels staged. And elevate your pool construction. This professional sprayed concrete technique ensures a seamless structural finish, making complex pool shapes much easier to achieve. Those drums look like a back injury waiting to happen. Good thing this hauler had other plans. Chimney insulation isn't usually a spectacular sport until you see it done this clean. Some machines work fast. This one treats roadwork like it's trying to beat a speedrun record. Nobody warned you pool winterizing could look this epic. Kitchen wrap really proves one thing. Sharp edges and the right finish can fake an entire renovation. Not the first time we fake things, right? Right. At first, it feels completely random. Then the stone pattern hits and your brain finally catches up. Laying tape by hand suddenly feels prehistoric. After months of being the first thing you noticed, this seam finally vanished. 2 feet of concrete sounds permanent. Well, until somebody knows this trick. The moment those beams lock in, the entire space starts changing its attitude. Nothing says welcome home quite like steps that look like they're ignoring gravity. A perfect door placement without the usual measuring gymnastics, that's a toolbox upgrade. Turns out premium wall texture was hiding inside a sponge the whole time. Good tools save time, great tools save, well, patience. But we don't need that, right? Wrong. Cut so precise. The vat's already feeling welcome. And crazy how one properly installed waterproof layer is quietly protecting you from a 5-figure headache. Most people see damaged siding, but this guy sees a 15-minute side quest. Wood, screws, and a dangerously good concept. This bench is practically begging to be copied. Fast, clean, and already thinking ahead, those downspouts have an underground future waiting. Good luck looking away from this one. Lead-free soldering hits different when one smooth pass is enough to do the job right. Every solid slab starts with rebar that refuses to wander. When two profiles need to become one, this is the handshake you want. Kindish? Well, true-ish. In tiny fence pickets, massive contribution to the final flex. Magnetic system doing all the heavy lifting. The birds moving faster, well, faster than most tenants. That ultra-skinny vacuum attachment is the kind of invention that makes you want to clean things you don't even own. House corners are like eyebrows. Get them wrong and the whole thing looks off. And this guy clearly knows the cheat code. One side screw, two top screws, and that middle joint suddenly forgets how to misbehave. Whoever designed this little thing clearly had a personal grudge against visible nails. Nothing fancy, just a clamp, a wood block, and a complete refusal to make things harder than they need to be. That fence post was halfway in the grave until somebody changed the script. And check out this stone siding that looks like it weighs a ton but installs like it's skip leg day. Fortunate. Foam first, bricks later, because good builds think 2 steps ahead. What do you think about this way of securing bricks? Say again? And these shelves are hiding their support system better than most people. Everyone's thinking, rip it out. Meanwhile, the grout was the only thing causing drama. Forget concrete, it cracks and quits. Epoxy bonds, flexes with the wood, and keeps the story going. And take notes, premium bike rack energy, budget bin price tag. Thank you. Hard to process this much foam until it turns into the biggest stone sculpture project on Earth. All doors catching a second life as a tiny greenhouse. Backyard brains really operate on another frequency. Your favorite brick just crashed the compilation. Tape, putty, and a little black magic blending in better than the original ever did. Take a look at these lungers and your brain instantly starts planning a relaxation project for the entire weekend. Tiny tiles are ruthless with imperfections. But this form keeps the evidence buried. That spot was clearly designed to be annoying. But the insulation obviously did not get the message. Cabinet layout, but make it foolproof. Shell jig locks in those pinholes, stupidly straight with no guesswork. This wall makeover is running an unfair effort to wall ratio. Grinder got promoted from cutting duty to full-blown cleaning monster. This windowsill repair is smooth enough to heal your soul. Rotten base collapsing vibes, but if the right crew pulls up, the house gets a second life. Repair what's worn out, preserve what still holds strong. That's how this house is built to last beyond all of us. Nah, not what you expected, but probably what you needed. Metal frame already did the hard part. Now the stairs are coming together fast. The mirror opens and suddenly everyone has something to hide. That concrete corner has serious attitude and surprisingly great taste. With under the stairs storage that looks this good, Harry Potter wouldn't even think about moving out. A wood block, some tape, and somehow this drywall repair comes out way smoother than it probably should. Eat the creativity on this firewood setup. Chainsaw station looks straight out of a lumberjack engineering lab. Drain cleanup just turned into a suction-powered eviction notice. PVC pipe and a leaf blower cooked up the most redneck efficient gutter cleanup imaginable. Full outdoor kitchen sounds cool until it eats the whole backyard. This setup keeps it simple, sharp, and actually useful. Seeing that archway get curved out this flawlessly, it feels like sculpting more than construction. Absolutely brilliant DIA paint shaker. Zero arm workout. One cable haul, zero mess-ups. Now that's rare. Soap holder install shouldn't be this satisfying, but here we are. Dopamine reserves fully funded. No one gets out of bed thinking that 2 screws and a drill will fix this. But yet here we are. This vent boot will be escorted off the roof with class. Chainsaw really looked at the circular saw and said, "Moreover." Firecock just pulled the ultimate vanishing act. The hole got completely deleted. Foam molds, concrete pour, and somehow fake tree stump starts pounding like fantasy map scenery. Mailbox glow up with a smart support fix. Now it stands proud instead of leaning like it gave up on life. For a second, I thought he eyeballed that curve. Turns out he brought a secret weapon. Total shed resurrection. One smart move, and it's basically back from the dead. Black accents really know how to bring a flat surface to life. Pretty sure this isn't a wall finish, it's a spell with a drying time. That rough bubble under the film really fighting for its life, while the tool sends it into another dimension. If you used to hate replacing sash and case windowsills, this process might just become your new therapy session. Damage had zero chance of getting invited to this delivery. Spend a minute with geometry and hours of joint fitting frustration quietly disappears. One radius stick later, dudes out here cutting circles like a human compass on steroids. Front row seats to a fireplace wall coming to life. And trust me, you'll want to watch every step. Just look at this roof install platform. Some people build access. These guys build confidence. Catch up this step-by-step laser trick before your next leveling job turns into pure frustration. A team of builders carefully lift wooden panels, giving the fresh concrete walls a brick-like texture. Railing done right, the kid gets freedom to explore, and the family gets one less heart attack. Roof flashing with a tie-in this clean, he actually cares about details. Time to drill in the world's most back-breaking spot, and the crew pull up with caveman-level creativity. Somewhere, a cat is feeling extremely important right now.